Two-Way Wolf. So while you guys were away, I installed the TV. It's a little monitor, so that way we can, you know, watch movies and stuff. It swings out. So that way when we're sitting down somewhere and we're deciding that we just want to watch a movie for a bit, we can do that. So yeah, that's one thing I did while you guys were away. I gotta get this other light. So I think I'm gonna start with this one first. Now maybe I'll start with this other one. But I'll show you what I'm doing. On the outside of the truck are these, I was guessing they're 1,000 watt, but I think they're 500. Not really sure. But I'm taking these off. How am I going to do that with one hand? I'm going to take these off. Oh no. You guys okay? Oh. Looks like it. So these are 500 watt. Thought they were 1,000, but they're 500 watt. Anyways, there's 4 on the truck, and I'm going to replace them with these. All right, so working on those lights I was talking about. Went ahead and just plugged that one, drilled a new one for the base of the LED, and then did a hole for the new wiring because the switch and stuff would be there. Doing the driver's side first, and wife helped me because I couldn't I couldn't do it from the outside and the inside at the same time. But she did just give me some bad news and said there's more rain coming in a couple of days. So since I already started on this side, we'll just get the lights done. But I'll show you something. The old LED lights that I had on the overland truck, I had cut these wires super short so that way there's less wires that could be seen. Well, unfortunately, they're too short for the new application, so I got to repair them. So I got some same size of wire. I'm going to go ahead and cut these, solder them up so I can get a longer pigtail. I'll shrink wrap them and get it all pretty. Okay, individually shrink wrapped it, and then I did a long shrink wrap over it. So I think that'll be good to go. So I just gotta do this one, cut that off, and do the same thing. Well, got them in. It's funny, the box looked a lot bigger with little 6-inch LED lights, but they're LED and it's gonna run off the battery bank. So got it. I didn't like the idea of having to take the diesel heater out because I would have to unbolt it and then tip it out, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. I started thinking if I made like a P-trap that I could get to go in there. And guess what? It worked. So now I can fill a diesel tank and I don't have to take it out. And plus, most of you know, this thing is full. It'll run for a long time. So, got my down and dirty, quick, little easy thing. It did trap about a shot glass of fuel, and so it's kind of like a P-trap. And so, I mean, it is what it is. But that problem is solved. Sure turned out to be a nice day. So that's what's nice about having the roll-up door, is that depends on where we're at, we'll be able to open this, and I'm going to get one of those garage door screen things that have the magnetic strip. That way we can enjoy the nice outside fresh air. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. All right, I did pick up some that liquid electrical tape stuff. I've never used it before, but it's actually kind of cool. Just puts a waterproof coating, just gob it on there, and it dries up overnight. So I'm going to get some more channel because I don't want to use 2 different size channels. I picked up some channel. I put the one up there, I think I already showed you, but anyways, I got some channel, but I just need to get more. I ran that line up on top. That's going to go to replacing this light from the 500 to the LED. And I took out that 500 watt, but I have not put in the LED. So we had a really bad storm that come through, so it kind of delayed me a little bit, but it's clearing up, so I should be able to get some of that stuff done. So this wire is going to be behind that big channel, and I got to tie in to the one cable to run this light and the other light, and then it's going to go all the way down through the floor and then back over to the fuse box. So that way I can remotely turn these on and off. Remotely? I don't know, by a switch. Oh, I got the power off. I was going to show you. I think I already did, but anyways, so I got that light on. And they'll have independent switches. There'll be an independent switch up there and one over there for that one. I figure while I'm waiting for some other stuff, I did pick up a solenoid switch for the water pump. So when I turn the switch on, it opens this up, provides power to the water pump directly from the panel in here. So yeah, while I'm waiting, I might as well try to get that done and see how this thing works. I did hook up the solenoid switch and it works out great. So when I hit the switch in there, which is going to be mounted to the front of the kitchen cabinet, turn that on, turns on the solenoid and allows full power to flow right on through to the pump. Now, obviously I'm not doing cable management yet because I still know there's a lot of wiring to go, and I'm trying to leave slack so that way once things are done, I can nail it down. Okay, working on light number 3. So it looks like that. And yeah, so we'll just keep going. I gotta plug that one in and get the switch hooked up. Okay, got that one all wired up. You know what? Okay, I decided to hook both lights. It's windy. Decided to hook both lights in the series. Holy smoke, those things are bright. All right. So out with the old and then in with the new. Okay, so I got those big floodlights replaced. I got the LEDs in. I got the switches all set up for it. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it good on this episode. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because next week I'm hoping I have a big surprise as far as I'm concerned. Not necessarily a surprise, but a big fix. And it's thanks to you guys over at Budget Overlander and Perry. Oh, hey, and there was somebody that says, why don't you, some people say, yeah, get a winch. No, don't get a winch, but I don't remember his name. The one guy says, well, yeah, if you have a PTO, put a hydraulic winch on it. I didn't think about that, but after I saw the price of the hydraulic pumps, it's like $2,000 to $3,000, and then the price of a hydraulic winch, $2,000 to $3,000. I don't think I'm going to do that. So, and that's a little crazy. So make sure that you hit the like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your questions, comments, concerns down below, and I'll see you next time on Two-Way Wolf.